Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we are diving into the pepper market, where domestic prices have seen a modest recovery, while the Vietnamese market remains stable to weak. Let's take a closer look at what's driving these trends. On August 27, pepper prices in key domestic markets, particularly in Kerala and Karnataka, experienced a slight rebound. Prices gained 200 rupees per quintal as bargain buying emerged, especially at lower price levels. Local traders observed that sellers were largely inactive after recent price drops, which helped provide some much-needed support to the market. In the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, pepper prices had dropped significantly, losing 1,000 rupees to 1,200 rupees per quintal. However, this recent recovery saw ungarbled pepper in Kochi priced at 64,600 rupees per quintal, garbled pepper at 66,600 rupees, and 500 gigaliters at 63,600 rupees. In Karnataka, prices ranged from 64,400 rupees to 66,800 rupees per quintal, depending on the region. Meanwhile, in Vietnam, the pepper market remains stable to weak. Prices ranged from 143,000 Vietnamese dongs to 144,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, with some provinces reporting a slight decline of 1,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. Since reaching their recent peak, Vietnamese pepper prices have dropped by 50,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram due to a sharp reduction in export demand. The market outlook remains bearish, with lower Chinese demand adding further downward pressure. Looking at the crop conditions, domestic pepper farms in Kerala and Karnataka are benefiting from favorable weather, thanks to recent good rainfall. Similarly, Vietnam's key growing regions have also enjoyed beneficial rains, which are expected to support the standing crops. Globally, pepper prices have remained mostly stable, with some exceptions. In Indonesia, there have been slight price increases, while in Brazil, prices are being supported by lower production due to ongoing drought conditions. With global supply tightening and new crop arrivals still 3 months away, domestic prices are likely to either stabilize or see a gradual increase. Now, let's take a look at the spot market prices as of today. In Kochi, ungarbled pepper is priced at 64,600 rupees per quintal. Garbled pepper is priced at 66,600 rupees per quintal. 500 gigaliters pepper is priced at 63,600 rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, prices range from 64,400 rupees to 66,800 rupees per quintal depending on the region, including key markets like Kushalnagar and Chikmagalur. For FOB quotes, here's what we have on the international front. Brazil Asta, $6,450 per metric ton. Vietnam 500 gigaliters, $5,800 per metric ton. Vietnam 550 gigaliters, $6,200 per metric ton. Indonesia Asta, $7,574 per metric ton. Malaysia, Ringgit, MT, Room 8,500. That's all for today's update on the pepper market. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more in-depth analysis and the latest trends across global commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates.